is Vadim, and today I'll be explaining you an exercise for ballroom dancing. The main body actions in standard dancing are rotation, sway, and extension. Extension is if I'm a lady, I can extend back and I can contract to the right. Then I can combine everything and it will be shaping. So let's go step by step and I show you the exercise. We put our legs under our shoulders, take the hold, and we go to the right. Rotation. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, sway to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, sway right. The next one is extension. I rise through my knees and the lady extends her back. 1, 2, 3. Comes back to neutral. 1, 2, 3. Then she contracts, puts her head onto my shoulder. 1, 2, 3. So this is her head. And 1, 2, 3. And I come back to normal. Alright? So now for the ladies. So you can see me from the back side. I'm a lady now. So I take the hold and I rotate. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. To the left. Neutral. I sway. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. And I sway. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. Now I extend. 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba, ba. And I contraction and in an original position. Okay, here we go with music. So men. 1, 2, 3. And left. Straight. Sway. Right. Straight. Left. Straight. Extension. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. Contraction. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. I do ladies. 1, 2, 3. Straight and left. Straight and I sway. Straight and sway. Straight. Extension. 1, 2, 3. Straight. Contraction. 1, 2, 3. Up. There we are.
Take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. And I need